to my channel. So today we're gonna do another makeup vlog. Yes, let's go back to makeup tutorial. Well, I missed doing this because I was busy this past few weeks. I got a lot of things to do with my life. I became so emotional with a lot of things that I don't know. It's kind of roller coaster and a lot of things going on. So I don't have that enough time to do vlogging because I'm just busy. No reason. Anyway, last week I did a poll on my Facebook. I don't know if you follow me on my social medias, but I hope you do. So I did a poll on my Facebook, not on Instagram but Facebook. I did a poll on what makeup look should I do on my next vlog, and I do have two choices, which is the red makeup look and the orange makeup look. And a lot of you lovies voted on the orange color, which it is so difficult. Orange is not my color and I'm having a hard time to wear that color because it's not common. You know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have a clean face before you do your makeup, girl, because you don't want to have a pimple on your face, because that is the thing that you need to avoid. Yeah, so yeah, I just took a bath, so my skin is clean. I know I do have a big forehead because I got two brains. So the first thing that I need to do is to apply foundation. Oh, well, let's do the eyebrows first. Hold on, I don't have a mirror. It is actually evening. It's 11:50. I don't know. It's 11:50 in the evening. It's about midnight and I'm still doing this. I'm so weird, right? I don't know. I got a lot of time during the night, but during the day I sleep all day, so yeah. So the first thing that we're gonna do is do the eyebrows. Even though I do have my eyebrows, I got a lot of hair, right? But then I want to make it look perfect, so I'm gonna use this deep brow pomade, which is the dark brown shade by Anastasia, and I'm gonna use my eyebrow brush. It is an eyebrow brush and it has a spoolie brush on the other end. So let me do my eyebrow first. I only fill the gaps because if you're gonna check my eyebrows, it does have a gap on this part, so that is the space that I want to fill with pomade. So let me just do this, okay? I need to concentrate on my eyebrows. So what I love about this eyebrow pomade by Anastasia is that it's creamy. I love the consistency of the pomade when you are applying it to your eyebrow. It doesn't look like a drawing. You know what I mean? Because when I was a kid, since I started doing my makeup when I was 15, I used to draw the gaps. I used to draw my eyebrow using a pencil, which is not good because it feels like I just draw my eyebrows and doesn't look good. That's why I recommend for you guys to use a pomade instead. So once I already applied the Anastasia pomade on my eyebrows, I'm gonna use a concealer to define my eyebrows for it to look really nice. So let me just get the concealer. So the concealer that I'm gonna use is by Says Lady, which is this one. It's a Says Lady full cover concealer, and it is long wearing, easy to blend, smooth to apply, water resistant, mineral flawless. And I believe this Says Lady is a cruelty free product, so that is the thing that I love about them. So yeah, I'll just need to dab this small brush on my concealer, and I'm just gonna draw it. I'm just gonna underline my eyebrows for it to look nice. So I'll just need to define my eyebrows to make it look more nice, and then you just need to blend it. Don't leave it like that, girl, because it will gonna look like so bad. So yeah, my eyebrows are done. So since I'm done with my eyebrows, then the next thing that I do is apply my foundation. So this is what I do. I mix my foundation, liquid foundation, and my concealer. So the foundation that I use is Matte Parlez, which is the Maybelline New York Fit Me shade of 120, which is the classic ivory, and I only apply a little bit of this foundation because this foundation is too thick. So once I do have my foundation, I mix it with a Stace Lady Full Cover Concealer Corrector, and I put some of this, just a little bit of this concealer, just like that. I don't know if you can actually see it, but yeah. And then I mix them together. I don't have a palette, that's why I use my hand. Don't forget your neck. Then after that, I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it again. So the next thing that we're gonna do is to apply a setting powder to set the foundation and all. So the next thing that we're gonna use is this AOA. It's a cruelty-free product, AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. So I'm just gonna use this. The shade of this is Brightening, so we're just gonna apply some of this to set my beautiful face. Once I'm done with my setting powder, we're gonna do the eyeshadow. So the first thing that we need to do is to apply the lightest color of your eyeshadow. So just grab your eyeshadow brush, and this is the shade that I'm going to use for this look. Since this is kind of yellow orange makeup look, then the base for my eyeshadow will be this color. It is a bright yellow. It's a, I don't know, it's a mustard yellow, I guess. So here is the shade that we're gonna use. So before that, go back to your setting powder and apply under your eye before applying your eyeshadow. Okay, so just grab your eyeshadow brush and apply the mustard yellow color. Okay, so once you're done with the mustard yellow, then we're gonna choose this shade, which is the orange, hot orange. We're gonna blend it on the outer part of your eyelid for it to look like ombre. See, it's so pretty. Just on this part, and then you just need to blend that out. So this is the eyeshadow, so I'll just need to remove all the powder on my face before I apply an eyeshadow on my other eye. I don't know if you have this kind of eyeshadow palette, but you can actually mix the yellow and the orange one and it will turn like this. So just use an yellow orange eyeshadow, and then that is the eyeshadow color that you will gonna use under your eye. So I'll just need to apply it like that. Well, I feel like I just apply an eyeshadow into my eye bags. So look. So once you're done with the eyeshadow, we're gonna do a contouring, because my forehead is so big. I feel like my face is too big for this makeup, so we need to contour it and make it, we need to make it look smaller. So this is the contouring kit that I use. So we're just gonna apply some of this to my forehead. Yay! Okay, so once I'm done with the contouring, the next thing is to apply a blush on. We're not gonna use a pink one, but I'm going to use a beige, which is kind of a brown. This is from Anna Lady palette, and I'm gonna use this for my blush in this shade. Okay, so I'm done with the blush on, and then so the next thing that we need to do is to apply an eyeliner. So I'll just need to apply an eyeliner and eyelashes, and then I'll get back. Before I apply my eyelashes, I use this mascara. This is a Stace Lady Big Volume Eyelash Mascara. You can actually see that, but it makes my lashes longer than normal. So I'm just gonna apply my lashes. Okay, so I'm done with my big eyelashes. So the next thing that we're gonna do is to apply freckles on my face to achieve the summer makeup look. So I'll just need to grab an eyeliner, a brown eyeliner, to draw some freckles on my face. Well, unfortunately I don't have a brown eyeliner, so I think I'm gonna use this brow gel, this Wonder Brow. So I think it's perfect to draw some freckles on my face. And the shade of this is jet black, but in person it's kind of brown. I'm confused. So let's Let's see if it will work. Let's start on my nose first. Okay. So that why does it feel like it's real? So I'm done with the freckles. I look like, I don't know. So I will need to apply some highlighter so the shade will be gold. So I just need to grab some brush. Okay. So I'll just need to apply some highlighter on my nose to look cute. Then on my eyes. And also I want to apply a little bit of highlighter on the inner part of my eyes. Okay, so I think I'm done. I just need to wear some lipstick and change my clothes. So the lipstick that I'm using is by Nichido with the shade of Charming. It's a matte lipstick and I'm gonna mix it with a matte lipstick as well, which is by Dose. This one. Just focus that and this one. So I'm gonna mix them together on my lip. Okay, so lovies, this is the final look of this makeup tutorial and I hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching the entire video, and also thank you so much for watching my video every time I upload one. And I don't know how can I thank you guys, but thank you so much. So if you have any suggestions that you want me to do on my next vlog, just comment down below and I'm sure that I will gonna read all of your comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.